Let's start learning.
Hello everybody, and welcome back to Mr. Tom Teaches Again. Today we're going to be doing a Mr. Tom mini lesson where we learn to solve problems together. Today's problem deals with number sense, or numbers. It's a pretty simple one, but it's a good start for us to learn how to solve problems. So the first thing to consider is that our number is 5. We also have a number sentence, and our number sentence is 4 plus 1 equals 5. Next we take a look and we see we have a number line. Our number line is numbered from 0 to 20. And finally we see the problem itself, which says show the number sentence on the number line. So what we're going to do today is we're going to work on showing the number sentence on the number line. First of all, let's look at what we've got. We've got our number for today. Our number for today is 5. Next, we have our number sentence. Our number sentence is 4 plus 1 equals 5. And finally, we have our directions for our problem. Show the number sentence on the number line. So in order to show an addition sentence on the number line, we're going to look at the first addend in the addition sentence. The first addend is the number 4. We're going to find the number 4 on our number line, and we're going to put a dot on it. Just like that. Next, we'll look at our second addend. Our second addend is 1. We're going to make a jump of 1 from the number 4, like this. 1. We land on the number 5. That happens to be our sum. So we're going to circle the number 5 on our number line. Now we have the answer to the problem. The question says, or the directions say, show the number sentence on the number line. And we did. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Nice work, everybody. Parents, teachers, and homework helpers, please be sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications. A like will really help the channel, so be sure to give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for being here today. I look forward to seeing you again. Take care, and remember, it never hurts to be nice.